What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I have a short ride and review for you today. I am going to a place called Carlota. It's a tapas bar and a vermouth bar. You know, vermouth wine, Spanish small bites. It's pretty new. I think it's only like 2 weeks old. My wife has been there already. She liked it. She had some snacks and some drinks. And so she wanted to go back, so I'm meeting her there now. It's right in Dime Square. It's right near the corner of Canal and Orchard. So this will be a really short ride and review. It'll be pretty quick. I'm just gonna take a ride on like Rutgers and then cross into the square. So I took a couple of pointers from you guys. Took a couple of pointers from you guys in terms of my camera setup. I've got this. I got my display tipped up so you could see my speed. Hopefully, if there's no glare, you could see the speed. And I tried to mount the GoPro a little higher on my chest. So we'll see. Maybe it's better. Get the handlebars out of the way a little bit. Did I pass my street? Oh no, this is it. This is Rutgers. I gotta make this turn here. Damn, that thing was noisy. The city bike sounded like dying bats. Let's see. Let's go. Traffic. Moving. What's this guy doing? Is he gonna park or is he gonna cut me off? Go! It's a green light! Alright. It's passing into the square right now. Here we go. So this place is gonna be, I gotta make a right on Orchard, and it should be right there. Yeah. Here we go. All right. I'll see you on the inside. Oh, that looks good. Cheers. Croquetas. Ooh, steaming. Squidding.
Menus are gonna be.
It'll be steakhouse meets barbecue meets speakeasies. Similar. Patatas bravas. Ooh, lamb chops.
Thank you.
Oh. That onion ring that's swinging, I love it.
I mean, yes, it is a learned thing. Like, I hate.
All right, Carlota. Man, that place was great. A lot of really good bites. Oh wait, hold on, what's this? I gotta put this on this. Yeah. Before I do my review, this needs a sticker. We gotta get the word out about zoos. Do not enter except bikes. Boom. Guerrilla marketing, baby. I gotta get a picture. All right, anyway, where was I? Carlota, ride and review. Everything we tried was awesome. The vermouth was great. I'm not really that familiar with different styles of vermouths. I just know what I mix in my martinis. Dry vermouth. But it was really good. It was almost like similar to like a sherry or like a Amaro, like a light Amaro. So I had some vermouth. The tomato bread and hamon were awesome, really great, a lot of flavor. The clams were great. They had chorizo in that broth too. Man, get extra bread so you can dip in that. Lamb chops were great. The potatoes, bravas, those were nice too. Really liked that. Their cheesecake, man, that Basque style cheesecake that we had at the end, absolutely perfect. They gave that to us for free, and it was a small piece. So I think maybe if you order it off the menu, I think it's like 11 bucks. I think it's a bigger slice than that. So don't go by that size that we had. Let's see, what else? What else? Oh yeah, the croquettes. So those little fried balls, inside was like squid ink rice and cheese. It was so good. Man, they had 2 other types of croquettes too. I have to try them next time. Along with the, there's like a chorizo, like a fried chorizo sandwich. I bet that's delicious too. So we'll be back there again for sure. Their happy hour menu specials are pretty good, like between 5 and 10 bucks for really high quality bites. So definitely recommend this joint. We'll be back again soon. And that's about it. A quick one, a quick ride and review. As always, thank you for watching. You got to like the video, hit that subscribe button, tell all your friends, and you gotta tell your fucking grandma. That's bare minimum.